But for now, we'd like to give the floor to some live examples, some experience sharing from those companies that participated in our early adopters program. So these were a number of companies, as we heard from Bernard, that already submitted the COP in an initial stage to try it out. And so our first speaker is IDS. We're very much looking forward to hearing from them on their experience with this new reporting framework. So please, well, hello, Randa.
I will be presenting how we worked with COP. And to start with, I will introduce the company. If you can just move to the second slide, please. Integrated Digital Systems is a medium-sized company that was founded in Beirut, Lebanon in 1991. And since then, the company has been growing and diversifying its business. We have offices in Beirut, Kuwait, and Dubai. What do? We provide turnkey solutions in information technology and mainly in software engineering. We design, develop, and deploy software applications for many industries. We have great experience working with UN agencies and governmental bodies. And of course, we build web portals, mobile applications, help institutions in digital transformation. So this is our business. We have more than 1,000 customers. If we can go to the second slide, please. Our vision is to create world-class software solutions and become one of the leading software solution providers in the MENA region and beyond. Our mission is to give customers the most compelling and reliable software experience. Our vision and our mission align with UNGC objectives and 10 principles. Can we please go to the next slide? As for our customer, before it, the slide before, please. I just want to say something about our customer base. Most of our customers are based in the MENA region, but we've been opening up to other markets in the USA and in the UK. Now I can use the second slide, please. We follow international standards in our operation and in our production and delivery of software. We are certified for ISO 27001, certified for ISO 9001. We are compliant with international standards for building and deploying software like ITIL, and we are partners with Microsoft. And being compliant with such international standards and having a goal to follow international standards made us reach out to UNGC and become participants with UNGC. Second slide, please. So why UNGC? UNGC, being a participant, verifies our compliance with international standards. It aligns with our business continuity plan, which secures and ensures that we continue our business despite risks that might come from conflicts, natural disasters, wars, etc. And most importantly, we find our objectives meet UNGC objectives. For example, one of our main objectives is to produce and deliver high quality and environmental friendly products and services. And this is where our environmental sustainability policy emerged from. A second objective is to maintain and improve a good working environment. We continuously work on developing the skills of our resources, making them feel good with the working conditions, to retain them. And this falls under all the objectives of human rights. A third objective is to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information, including personally identifiable information. And this also falls under human rights. The fourth objective is good management of our relationships. And under this objective, all our relations are with the different stakeholders are governed by confidentiality agreements, non-disclosure agreements, suppliers code of conduct, and we meet UNGC along this also. Another slide, please. So effectively, we reached out and we became participants with UNGC in March 2019. In March 2022, we enrolled in UNGC's early adopter program, and we were able to fill and submit our COP in May 2022. I can use the second slide. About our new COP experience. Our experience with the new COP was smooth and easy because we genuinely have what it takes to complete it. What helped us greatly is our international standards, certifications, and compliances. Effectively, being certified for ISO 27001 Information Security Management System and ISO 9001 Quality Management System set for us the infrastructure that we used to fill the new COP. So we had it all there. Challenges. Gathering data can be a challenge because the new COP requires data from different sources within the company. Also, allocating time needed to fill the COP. Considering us a medium-sized company, we're always very busy, everyone is overloaded. So I had really to allocate time, and it took more than 10 hours to fill it. But I think next time it will take less time to fill it. Next slide, please. Okay, who was involved and how? The new COP must be filled by someone who knows perfectly well the company's operation and the company's process map. For us, as a direct involvement, I, as a quality manager, filled the new COP. However, within a company, because not all the companies have a corporate quality manager, the owner of the HR process or the owner of the asset management process, most of the time it is the CFO here, can fill it. As for the indirect involvement, of course, top management was indirectly involved, being the one who is on top of the strategic planning and who approves, revises, and modifies all procedures and policies. And also the process owners or department managers, they were indirectly involved because they always engage in establishing the procedures and activities under their processes, and they are involved in setting KPIs to measure and analyze their processes' performance. Data was gathered from the company's well-documented and implemented policies, procedures, guides, and calculated processes objectives. All these are kept and retained by the quality manager. So it was about the history of our work. It was about how we were organizing our work and the goals in following international standards that made it easy for us to fill the COP. I can use the second slide, please. Benefits. As I have said, being a participant in UNGC verifies our compliance with international standards. This is a main benefit. Also, it raises our awareness on new sustainability needs and how to comply with them and meet them. It affects our strategic planning. We definitely consider aligning with and supporting UNGC 10 principles a point of strength in our work, and we stated in our SWOP analysis. And also the new COP raises our awareness on new KPIs that we can use to measure our performance. And effectively, as I was filling the new COP, I used and I established new KPIs from the COP, and that was useful to us. So I can use the second slide now. thank you. This is what I have to say. I look forward to filling the COP for this year. And good luck for all the participants who are going to fill it this year.
Thank you so much, Randa. That was very insightful. We are very grateful that you participated in the Early Adopters Program so that you can also be an example to many of the companies that are on the line today. So thank you so much for that. That was great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good.